Eurolaser. Discover the exciting world of laser technology. Top quality laser systems from Eurolaser are the perfect solution when it comes to cutting efficiently. You can cut sheets with thicknesses up to 25 millimeters with our powerful laser systems. Depending on the model, you can use processing surfaces of over 3 times 3 meters so that standard full-size sheets can be processed with no problem at all. Contactless and force-free laser processing minimizes material wastage. You achieve consistently good cutting results. Contours can be placed directly side by side thanks to the thin laser beam. This guarantees maximum material utilization with no material damage. There are no chippings and the surface is not damaged or contaminated during highly accurate laser cutting. Easy, simple. Eurolaser offers perfect results at the press of a button. Thanks to contactless cutting, the workpiece does not have to be clamped, fixed or aligned using stops. A fused seam is often generated during laser cutting of synthetic materials. This seals the cut edges and prevents fraying. The individual cut pieces can be removed directly from the processing table without any need of finishing. In other words, you achieve perfect results with smooth cut edges in a single operation. To automate your cutting process, the bale material is fed in via a feeding unit. The material is transported to the processing table from the unit. You can cut and engrave with maximum precision with our state-of-the-art CO2 lasers. The ultra-thin laser beam is particularly suited for filigree cuts because its tool diameter can be virtually left out of consideration. There is no restriction in the type of contours that can be cut with a laser. In contrast to mechanical tools, the laser is virtually maintenance-free and does not become blunt. Contactless laser cutting produces perfect cut edges. There is no squashing or chipping of multi-layered foils. The thermal process can fuse the cut edges, and this in turn results in a kind of sealing effect. This automatically provides protection against soiling without any additional expense. You achieve consistently good results and avoid waste. Perfection from the first to the last production piece. The outstanding features of cutting with our CO2 laser system are precision and flexibility. The modular design of Eurolaser laser systems enables a needs-oriented configuration while at the same time offering the necessary flexibility. You can, for example, expand your machining options by using mechanical tools such as a router in addition to the laser. This will allow you to reap the benefits of the expedient combination of different machining processes. Inscribe your workpieces or adhered labels directly with the Precision Ink Printer module. Its high resolution enables the printing of the finest lettering and graphics. You can label your individual parts quickly and in a single operation with our label module. The option Remote Operation was developed to enable even further expansion of the capacity of your laser system. This is a software-controlled system that offers the option of processing your material on one side of the table while simultaneously reloading on the opposite side. It ensures maximum efficiency of your system. Use of the optional shuttle table system increases the productivity of Eurolaser systems. The principle is very simple. The material supports are changed over within a few seconds, allowing the laser cutting process to be continued with no downtimes. This option allows even more profitable utilization of your laser system. To automate your cutting process, the bale material is fed in via a feeding unit. The material is transported to the processing table from the unit. This stretch-free material feeding system means there is no material distortion, so the material can be cut in its natural tension-free state. Once the laser cutting process is completed, the material is transported to the unloading table by conveyor belt. Reap the benefits of our modern laser system technology to maintain a competitive edge and ensure continued top-quality production for the future as well. Our laser systems are available in a multitude of different sizes. They are designed for both handcraft as well as industrial use and can be operated in a multi-shift process with no problem at all.